Attention, friends, before we study, let's pray together. Pray start.
Dear God, please bless myself, my teacher, and my friends, so we will understand the lesson that we will get today. Dear God.
Namaskar. Okay, thank you Gak Divya and Adit ya for leading the play. Okay, so first of all, sebelum kita lanjut listening and writing ya. So first of all, I would like to share a slide ya. Jadi Miss Rus akan share slideshow gitu. Ya, so please listen and look at the slide carefully. Ya, jadi I ask you to mute you all. Ya, nanti Miss Rus akan mute all dulu. No one is asking while I'm explaining. Jadi nanti tidak ada yang interrupting ya. Jadi kalau mau bertanya bisa left di chat room dulu. Your question, just left your question on the chat room, and then I will answer it after I finish my explanation. Okay, so let's see the slide that I have prepared for you. Okay, yeah, please look at it nicely ya. Pay attention to it ya, karena nanti kurang lebih apa yang anak-anak akan dengarkan dan tulis kurang lebih akan ada di sini ya. Jadi akan muncul di slide-nya ini juga. Okay, so let's start. Kita mulai. Okay, welcome to listening class ya. Okay, so our topic today for listening class is telling daily routine. So what is daily routine? Yeah, or daily activity is about the activities that we do in a day. Yeah, is it every day or in special day maybe? Yeah, like a certain day, like every Monday, what did you do? Every Sunday, what did you do? Yeah, so the activity can be different or can be the same. Yeah, so that is daily routine or daily activity. Okay, so here I put some pictures and some explanation. Yeah, some activities of daily routine. Yeah, so this one is wake up. Yeah, bangun pagi and then take a bath or take a shower. Yeah. It's the same, mandi, ya, take a bath or take a shower. Jadi a bath, ya, B-A-T-H, ya, bukan B-E-D, ya. Kalau bed itu kan tempat tidur.
Yeah, a bath is like a cereal bowl, but it used to like take a bath. But a shower is like you just stand up and then you rinse.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Tinda, for the additional. Okay, yeah. But the meaning is the same, yeah. Mandi. Okay, the next is, nah. Sometimes, yeah, we can also wash our face, yeah. Cuci muka, yeah, like splashing waters and put some face wash, yeah. Wash face and then brush teeth, yeah. So here we say it teeth, yeah. Teeth is the plural of the tooth, ya. Jadi kalau kita sikat gigi kan nggak mungkin satu gigi saja kan? Oke, nggak mungkin satu gigi saja kita gosok. So we say it brush our teeth, ya, brush teeth. It's the plural. Okay, and then the next is get dressed. Ya, get dressed is wearing clothes, ya. Jadi memakai pakaian seperti ini. Prepare after take a bath, yeah, or take a shower, brush teeth, yeah, and then we get dressed. Jadi berpakaian, ya. Oke, nah, this one, ya, eat breakfast. Yeah, in the morning we say eat breakfast. In the Afternoon, we say it lunch. And then in the evening, we say it dinner. Yeah. Okay, so eat breakfast. Yeah, it can be like cereal or toast or any other, yeah, maybe milk. Yeah, this one is like cereal and egg and juice. Yeah, this is the breakfast of her. And then the next is study. Yeah, study, belajar, ya, writing, reading, or listening to the teachers, ya. Okay, and then
Miss, boleh catat semuanya yang Miss share screen tuh.
Oke, yang ini tidak dicatat tapi dilihat dan diperhatikan dengan baik. Ya, nanti yang dicatat beda lagi. Oke. So the next is dry your hair. Ya, mengeringkan rambut. Mungkin kalau habis keramas ya, you can dry your hair. Ya, especially someone who have long hair like the girls. Ya, you need to dry your hair. Ya, maybe it's also can be for the boys. Ya.
Sometimes girl has short hair. But when my mom tries to dry my brother's hair, after shower, she first baths my little brother, and then he will my mom will dry my brother's hair, but it's already dried, so she doesn't anymore because it's already
Okay.
dried.
But sometimes girls has short hair, but sometimes it looks like a boy.
Yeah.
Yes, because the long hair is hard to dry, but the short hair is
It's easier.
Yes, the easy.
Okay, let's continue to the next slide. Okay, the next slide, yeah, this is the activity before Corona, I think. Yeah, we can go to school, yeah, and then after finish school, we can come home or go home. Yeah, back to home. This one is
Lion is not
the
walk,
example.
but ride the car.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
There is not any motorcycle there. Like
Yeah, this one just examples. Maybe he walks to the bus station or he walks to the motor parking, yeah, and then take the motor, or going with the parents, yeah, waiting for the parents to take the car, yeah, like that. And then come home. Maybe the school is near with his home, yeah.
The
Okay.
background is a Peppa Pig house.
Okay, now the last, let's play game. Okay, kita play game dulu.
Play
Sebelum
game.
listen and write. Let's click together. Okay, this one is about daily routines. Okay, the first one, we need to match the words to the picture. Okay, this one. Okay, I will share the sound so you can listen to it.
Have breakfast.
Is it clear? Kedengaran?
Kedengeran.
Yeah, have
Yes.
breakfast.
Yes.
Which one?
Website is not secured. The
Which
website
one is
not
the
secured.
have breakfast? Kira-kira yang mana
Have breakfast. That one, the girl.
The girl.
Ini ada the girl, ini juga the girl.
No, that is one.
With the purple
shirt. With the purple shirt.
Purple shirt.
Purple shirt. The
Kita
girl with
coba
purple
match.
shirt.
Kita klik ya.
Website girl with a purple
Here.
shirt. Yes.
Next.
Have dinner. I
Have
think
dinner.
that was the boy with the pink shirt. Oh wait, no, the
The
purple
boy.
shirt.
This one.
Boy with the purple shirt.
Boy with the purple shirt.
No, it's not.
This one is 12.
12.
Okay. So this one ya, maybe ya.
Yeah, this
Okay.
one.
Next is
Well,
wake
I
up.
did not like it.
Wake up.
Is the boy with the blonde hair.
The first one. The first
This one.
one.
Okay, good.
The first one.
Next. get dressed.
Get dressed.
That one.
Yeah, that one.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Next,
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
go to bed.
Down.
Yes.
Okay, good. Next is go to
Go to
school.
school.
What one is this one?
That one.
This one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next. Have lunch.
Have lunch.
This one?
Blue t-shirt. Yes.
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock. Not o'clock yet. 5 past 12.
PM.
5 minutes past 12.
PM.
Have a shower.
Have a shower.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, have a shower. Yeah, with this one. Ada showernya, have a shower. Get up. And then go home.
Go to school.
This one? Okay, go home. To laugh. Clean my teeth and do homework.
Beside the shower.
This one. Okay, good. And then the last one. Okay, good. We have completed it. Yeah. So do you know what is the difference wake up and get up?
Yes.
I know, Miss.
Just wake up itu masih sempat tidur. Kalau get up itu sudah you get out of the bed.
Okay.
Baru
Wow.
bangun.
Everyone is so like I know, Miss. I know. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. Someone said wake up. That you are still on the bed. Yeah, like this. That is wake up. And then get up is that you already get up from the bed. Ya, jadi sudah mulai bangun ya. And start the activity. Ya, wake up and get up. That's the difference. Jadi itu ya bedanya. Okay, the second game, ya, this one. Oke, nanti Misus akan share juga linknya, so you can play it by yourself. So now this one we need to go to the wake up.
W.
And then E.
And then okay.
You.
For you.
And
Okay, good. Next. This one.
Get up.
Get up. Nanti bisa share di chat room ya. Ya. Oke, nanti Miss Rus akan share ya. Jadi anak-anak bisa cek and continue to play the game.
Miss, I think when all the screaming is kind of just my computer. And
What is writing?
saya jadi
Oke, nah sekarang Miss Rus akan mulai writingnya. Oke, listen and write ya. So you need to listen to the audio and then write it down. Jadi ditulis dulu number 1 until 10. Silakan ditulis dulu nomor 1 sampai nomor 10.
Already.
Yes, already.
Oke, if already ya, nanti Miss Rus akan play audionya. Jadi anak-anak just need to listen to it carefully. Ya, I will repeat the audio 3 times. Jadi nanti Miss Rus akan ulangi 3 kali ya. Oke, so now I will mute you all. Ya, jadi Miss Rus akan mute semuanya.
Okay.
Supaya anak-anak lebih fokus lagi untuk mendengarkan listening audio. Okay, so can we start now? Are you ready? I would like to check the first slide, the first screen ya. Miss Rus cek first screen. Coba angkat pensil or pennya yang dipakai menulis ya, diangkat pencil or pennya. Oke, good. Slide 2 sekarang. Miss Rus mau lihat juga, angkat pen and pensilnya. Pen or pencil ya. Oke, and then slide 3. Ada yang masih turn off kamera. Miss Rus harap yang turn off kamera juga sedang holding pen or pencil for writing. Okay, so are you ready? Yes? Okay, so please be focused and let's listen to the first word. Yeah, number 1.
One, two, three, listening. Daily routines. Exercise 1. Number 1. Go to school.
Okay, the second time.
3. Listening. Daily routines. Exercise 1. Number 1. Go to school.
Okay, and then the last.
Exercise 1. Number 1. Go to school.
Okay, that is the first. Yeah, number 1. Next, number 2.
Number 2. Brush your teeth.
Okay, the second time.
Number 2. Brush your teeth.
The third time.
Number 2. Brush your teeth.
Okay, try your best, yeah? Next, number 3.
Number 3. Dry your hair.
Okay, the second time.
Number 3. Dry your hair.
The last for number 3.
Number 3. Dry your hair.
Okay, next, number 4.
Number 4. Take a bath.
Okay, number 4 for the second time.
Number 4. Take a bath.
Number 4 for the last time.
Number 4. Take a bath.
Now, number 5.
Number 5. Wake up.
Okay, now number 5 for the second time.
Number 5. Wake up.
Okay, now number 5 for the last time.
5. Wake up.
Good. Next is number 6.
Number 6. Eat breakfast.
Number 6 for the second time.
Number 6. Eat breakfast.
Okay, number 6 for the last time.
Number 6. Eat breakfast.
Okay. 4 numbers left. Number 7.
Number 7. Study.
Number 7 for the second time.
Number 7. Study.
Number 7 for the last time.
Number 7. Study.
Okay, now move to number 8.
Number 8. Get dressed.
Okay, number 8 for the second time.
Number 8. Get dressed.
Last time for number 8.
Number 8. Get dressed.
Okay, now number 9.
Number 9. Wash your face.
Okay, number 9 for the second time.
Number 9. Wash your face.
Okay, number 9 for the last time.
Number 9. Wash your face.
Okay, the last, number 10.
Number 10. Get home.
Okay, number 10 for the second time.
Number 10. Get home.
Okay, the last time for number 10.
Number 10. Get home.
Okay, finally it's finished. Okay, so good job, student. Yeah, so now I will give the link of the exercise for listening to you ya on the chat room. Ya, nanti silakan. Okay, ada yang someone said that he is really confident. Okay, that's good. Yeah, so you can fill in the listening exercises ya with your answers. Just check your writing ya. Nanti silakan dicek writingnya, bisa disesuaikan and then fill in the form ya. It's okay. Don't be nervous, don't be worried. Jika nanti ada yang tidak bisa mendengarkan audionya ya, itu cantumkan juga link YouTube-nya. Misalkan nanti pas buka GF suaranya tidak terdengar, bisa cek di YouTube ya, and then make sure that the volume of device that you use is already turned up, jadi sudah dibesarkan, dimaksimalkan ya. So please check the chat room. I will send it now ya. Misalkan kirim sekarang. Okay, link audio on YouTube and also link of the exercises. Yang di GF sudah ada YouTube-nya ya. Okay, yang YouTube just in case maybe some of you cannot listen it well. Oke. Jadi untuk listeningnya ya sudah tadi. Nah yang tadi masih belum bisa klik, you can check on the LMS ya. Nanti silakan cek di LMS. Miss Rus akan tambahkan di LMS ya. Oke, nanti di mana carinya Miss? Oke, cek di sini. Oke. Nah, ini dia. Nanti cek di LMS ya, cari yang bagian English, kemudian cari yang listening class ya, August 12, 2021. Nanti semua linknya akan Miss Rus tambahkan. Ya, di sini masih belum Miss Rus tambahkan. But I will add it after the class finish. Oke, jadi Miss Rus share linknya sekali lagi di chat room bisa ya. Nanti mau cek di LMS juga bisa, biar lebih lengkap lagi di LMS. Ya, siapa tahu nanti temannya ada yang tidak join hari ini ya, you can inform them ya. Bisa cek di LMS. Ini link yang Miss Rus sudah siapkan. Oke, link games yang tadi, kemudian YouTube-nya yang tadi sudah GF, dan responses. Yang mau cek respon, apakah namanya sudah masuk, bisa klik di sana. Oke, so that is our listening class today. Yeah, and then for the next week, yeah, next week's activity is, jadi next week activity kita akan speaking lagi, ya. So next week is speaking. Jadi Miss Rus want to ask the student to prepare yourself, ya, karena kita akan mulai ya, karena waktu ini 2 minggu lalu ya, 2 weeks ago, we start from 4A, kita mulai dari 4A, so next week we will start from 4D, ya, kita akan mulai dari kelas 4D, giliran. Oke, are you ready 4D? Kasih jempolnya. Oke, jadi 4D and 4C kemungkinan ya, jadi next week kemungkinan akan ada 4D and 4C. Oke, jadi yang perlu disiapkan for speaking, ya nanti Miss Rus akan tambahkan juga di LMS ya. Oke, nanti Miss Rus akan tambahkan di LMS. Apakah suara Miss Rus terdengar jelas? Oke, ya, oke. Nah, jadi nanti Miss Rus akan tambahkan di LMS topik apa yang akan anak-anak sampaikan pada saat speaking ya. Jadi untuk students 4B and 4D, you can prepare yourself well at home ya. Jadi punya banyak waktu untuk mempersiapkan diri. Jadi topiknya itu adalah about introducing your little family ya. Jadi memperkenalkan ya your little family. Jadi family yang inti ya. I mean like your mother, your father, ya, yourself, your brother or sister ya. That's enough. Okay. But if you don't have brother or sister, it's okay. Yeah, you can just tell yourself. So introducing little family. Yeah, you can put the name. Yeah, you can say the name first, and then the age, umurnya berapa, and then what is your parents' occupation or job. Ya, mungkin bisa ditambahkan parents' job or parents' occupation, dan yang terakhir bisa tambahkan hobi. Oke. Nah, jadi 4 itu ya, name, the age, the parents' job, ya, or parents' occupation, or your sister, misalkan your sister or your brother still at school ya, you can say my sister is a student, ya, my brother is a student, ya, and then the hobbies, ya, you can say more than one hobby. Hobinya boleh lebih dari 1 kalau memang ada. Ya, nah nanti Miss Rus sudah kirimkan di chat room, nanti Miss Rus tambahkan di LMS ya. For speaking next week. Jadi kita mulai dari 4D, kemudian jika 4D sudah lengkap semua, kita akan lanjut ke 4C. And then next 2 weeks, we can continue with 4B and 4A. Jadi topiknya sama, ya. And then while someone is speaking, the other one need to pay attention and listen to the speaker, ya. Jadi harus mendengarkan juga. Okay, so now, jadi Miss Rus akan izinkan anak-anak untuk unmute ya, tapi kalau ada yang bertanya ya giliran. Okay. Do you have any questions? Ada pertanyaan dulu?
No, Miss.
No. Oke, Rena
mau bertanya, Miss.
Ya, Rena mau bertanya, silakan Rena.
You said like we introduced our little family, right?
Yes.
So like just like we're brother or sister and we're parents, and it's include yourself.
Yes, include yourself. Ya. Jadi nanti Miss Rus akan tambahkan contoh videonya. Ya, contoh videonya Miss Rus will put on the LMS di bagian listening yang tadi ya. Jadi silakan dicek di sana atau Miss Rus akan share di sini juga dulu ya. Jadi kalau anak-anak mungkin bisa cek sekarang, disimpan linknya atau nanti cek di LMS. Oke, Miss Rus akan cari linknya. Oke, wait. Masih mencari link. Oke, ini dia. So, nanti bisa ditonton ya after the English class finish.
Miss,
Okay.
only 4D and 4C?
Yeah, so next week 4D and 4C.
For the last. How about 4B?
4B and 4A will be next 2 weeks. 2 minggu lagi. Okay, so that is the example of the introducing family members ya. Itu contoh video dari Miss Rus ya. Nanti Miss Rus akan tambahkan di LMS juga. So before I end today's meeting, do you have any questions? Once again, is it clear all? Oh, Gerra. Okay, Gerra.
Miss, does it have to be our family or do we make up our own family?
Your family, your real family.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes, Amara ya.
Can I also add my grandparents?
Oh yes, you can.
Okay.
And the grandparents too?
Yeah, you can. If you want to add your grandparents, you can. You may.
just grandparents or someone else maybe?
No, I think enough. Yeah, your parents, yourself, and your brother or sister and grandparents. It's enough. for me.
Okay.
Miss, can you add your like uncle and auntie?
No.
No, that's a big
Yeah. Yeah. Just
That's not a
parents,
little
yourself,
family. That's a big
yourself,
family.
Other
the old family.
Yeah, because I have so many cousins and I have so
Yeah.
many
So
cousins.
so
a lot
that's
of
why.
cousins.
Yeah. I asked you just your little family. Okay.
I have 4 cousins. 4 cousins.
Yeah,
Me too,
Rena.
I have
Just
4
speaking.
cousins too.
Yeah.
We introducing with little family, right?
Mhm.
This is speaking.
Yes, speaking activity. So for this one, I will take the score for this one. So do your best. Yeah.
No, please.
Okay, just do your best. Okay, Tama.
Okay.
Terus yang satu videonya ini, Miss Rus ya.
Sebentar ya.
Miss,
Tunggu Maha. Okay, Tama, please.
I don't have a question, but I have 4 cousins.
Oh, okay.
I
Please.
have 4 cousins too.
Oh, okay.
I have a lot of grandparents and
Wait,
other
no.
friends.
Yeah, just
I thought-
Miss,
grandparents inti. Ada yang bertanya lagi?
Miss,
Yes. Gong bagus ya, Gong bagus.
Miss, I have 2 grandma and grandpas and 1 tukungkyang.
Okay, yeah, you can include that.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I have
Or
Jadi yang
I have 2 grandparents.
tapi itu tidak wajib ya, Miss. Boleh
Iya.
keluarga kecil saja.
yang wajib itu keluarga
Udah
kecil
nama,
saja.
jadi
It's
keluarga
for
kecil
next
kan
week,
namanya.
right?
Oke, nah,
Because I
um,
have two
ya karena
grandparents
anak-anak kan
and I have
ada yang punya
5
grandparents dua ya,
cousins.
dua kakek, dua
Yes.
nenek, yang dari
Yeah.
ayah dan dari ibu. Bisa diceritakan yang dari ayah saja, ya supaya tidak terlalu lama.
So everybody could get a turn.
Ya, everybody will get the turn, ya.
Because I have
Oke,
2 grandfathers,
Miss,
2
Yes.
grandmothers, and
can I
5
add both,
cousins,
Miss?
a
Miss, can I add
dad,
both?
a mom,
Can I add
and
both?
3 siblings.
Miss,
ya Bu,
can
bagus.
can
Kenapa?
can I add both of my grandparents?
Yes, but yeah, please make it not too long.
Long.
Yeah,
So everybody could get a turn.
yeah, everybody can get the turn. Okay.